students, let us understand how continuous flange beam behaves. Okay, so what is flange beam? So when RCC floor breech decks consist of a beam and slab that is casted together and which is always act monolithically, right? So here in this case the formers are erected in such a way that the slab and beam together and the concrete is poured in the one operation only, right? Now let us see what about the function of the flange beam. Right here this one is the neutral axis, and here in this case there is no connection between beam and slab. In this case there is as the beam and slab casted together, they act monolithically, right? So here in this case top part it is in compression, bottom part it is in tension. So flange beam also resists compression along with the beam, right? And in this case only the beam resists compression, right? So what happened in the case of continuous beam? So this one is the bending moment diagram of continuous beam, right? So here in bottom we have sagging shape, or I can say the compression. At support we have hogging sag, or you can say it is tension, right? So at support we have negative moment, right? Positive moment and compression over here in this part, and negative moment at support, right? And tension over here at support, right? So tension negative, compression positive, right? Same way for this beam, this part that is under tension, right? And this part that is under compression, right? So in the case of flange beam, slab also takes part in resisting compression. Now let us see what happened at support. At support here we have tension at top, but what the problem is that slab don't resist tension, it resists only compression, right? So what happens at support, the beam don't behave as a flange beam, it behaves as a rectangular beam only because slab don't resist tension, right? Hope my dear student it is clear, right? So this is a problem with the continuous flange beam, right? At support is act as a rectangular beam only, no T action developed, right? So my dear students, I hope it is clear. Still, if you have any query, any question, kindly mail me, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.